I made the decision to get behind the wheel after I had a couple drinks too many and ended up getting pulled over for that. There's no accidents, nobody was harmed, but did end up getting pulled over and having to deal with those consequences. I think the biggest thing is I was worried about how it was going to impact my future career with job applications and anything like that. Just didn't want this following me. As far as we think about DUIs, there's kind of two parts of it, right? You're dealing with the DMV who wants to take your license, dealing with the courts who wants to, put this on my record and put me on probation and everything like that. So going into the DMV part, I just done a lot of reading on the internet, and other law firms had said, hey, you're probably not going to win your DMV trial, and that's going to result in you losing your license, and then you'll have to have like a restriction device in your car for 2 years. And I got a phone call one day from Mr. Bussey that said, hey, we won your DMV trial, your license is good to go, and as far as the DMV is concerned, you never got pulled over. So that was something that he found in the police report. There was just an error made on that end that ended up benefiting us. And then as far as the court was concerned, he just really took the time to look through some of the legal steps that police officers are required to go through as they fill out paperwork and all of those details, and kind of cross-reference that with some of the testing and the state standards that they are held to, and found some discrepancies in their work and the expectations that the state has for them, and ultimately ended up using that to get this completely dropped. I think from the get-go, there was no judgment. And I think that when we're thinking about some of these missteps and, some of these charges, there can be a lot of shame surrounding a DUI. And I think that from the get-go, Tim was very clear, there is no shame in any of this. I'm not judging you. And even from the initial intake process of, hey, let me ask you questions about your history and all of that, to getting my blood report and seeing the footage even, which nobody wants to see, and just no judgment ever from him. Just, hey, I'm on your side, I'm advocating for you. So I think that that was one of the most positive parts of this experience.